Where the heck are the Garlands? Well, this time we're in McKinney Falls State Park, just south of Austin. I mean, it's not very far up there at all. This is a Texas State Park, so we were able to save quite a bit on our stay here. And we got a pull-through. They call it a pull-through. And I was a little surprised. Had to wheedle just a little bit to make that corner because I came in the wrong way. I guess there is no wrong way, but apparently I did. So I just had to back up down the road a little bit and get in there. So this is greener than where we've been. Thank heavens it's green. We have been in so much brown, it's crazy. But we're looking forward to seeing the park, seeing the falls. We're going to be here 4 nights. Water and electric, sewer dump on the way out. Nice tent pad over there. And we're going to go into Austin and see whatever there is to see in Austin that we missed last time. So we just had to have one stabilizer, one block down to get level. So it's really not too bad at all. It's nice and stable. So we'll look around here and report for you. Well, a little bit cloudy this morning. Well, little's an understatement, I guess. This is up towards the Upper Falls, McKinney State Park. Big parking lot up here, so I'm going to assume that probably on weekends this gets pretty busy here. The visitor center is undergoing some construction, so looks like we're not going to get to check out the visitor center, but we'll go ahead and go on down to the falls, or up to the falls, whichever it may be, and make the best of this. Should not rain today, but looks like a nice area. Well, literally right down the trail is where the falls are, 50 feet. I thought it was going to be further than that, but well, there's your falls. Probably not what most people think of falls, but it's falling water, so big rocky area here. So it'll be interesting to see what all lies ahead here. This trail goes all the way around. This is a biking and hiking trail. It goes all the way around this park. But so glad to see green for once. Coming around from the visitor center there that's closed, coming up the hill just a little ways, there's a nice big picnic area here. And there are some bathrooms over there and swings for the kiddos. But it's a nice little hike up here. I mean, it's just really short, not even a hike. I mean, you just go up a little bit of rock and just steps. There's a group of 4 turtles there. A little guy on the shelf down there. This is down from the trail that we were on, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come to the lower falls. continuing on down, we come to the lower falls. So this is what the Homestead Trail is on the, I think it's the east side. So it's fairly passable. It's easy enough to get up, and it's nice and wooded. It's not a steep slope, but there is a slope, and it goes on up to the top and circles around. The homesteads, seems to be a real nice one. I think about anybody could do this one. A last day here at McKinney Falls State Park, just south of Austin. Actually, I think it's in Austin. Seems like it is anyway. But I wanted to just give a quick overall review. This is the first sunny day we've had since we've been here, but that is going to happen. This has got a lot of hiking trails, a lot of places that you can go if you enjoy hiking. We weren't on any difficult ones at all. They're very easy to get around. The falls are really cool. They're not big falls like most people in the north think about, but they're enjoyable. It's really a fun hike, and we were there one day before it started raining and one day afterwards. But I have to give McKinney State Park a thumbs up. It was really nice. It would have been great to be here when the weather was better, but the only noticeable thing here is the lack of birds in the campgrounds. There's no birds around here. We heard an owl 2 nights, and other than that, there's one bird out there singing. Nothing like anything we've been in Texas, so very few birds at all. But it's very enjoyable. It's clean, easy to get around, and it's kind of big, so there's some places you're going to have to take your car to park and then go hike. So overall, hey, it's a good time. So I hope you get out there and enjoy, and keep watching. We'll have some more reviews coming up soon. Thank you.